Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to set default apps in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to change or set default apps. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click on a OnePlus N20 settings section. After click over there, you're going to see it's going to be looks like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find here something say apps. After click over apps, you will find here something say default apps. After click over default apps, we will see the default browsing apps, default digital assistant, home, phone, SMS. If you decide to change them, for example, if you want to change default browser, you can choose your browser application. If your device has another web browser, you can choose them from here. If your device has another digital assistant apps, you can choose. If you have another home launcher, you can choose. If you have different phone application, you can choose. If you have different SMS, you can choose. So from this screen, you can easily change or set default application in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.